I bought an Oxford Screamer 7 for additional protection for my motorcycle when it's garaged at my home and also for when I stop and park the bike. It's chunky without being too heavy, so it can travel with me in my top box. It claims to have a 100 decibel alarm, motion and shock sensors, a 7mm locking pin, and a replacement key service if you lose your keys. In the box are the instructions, 3 keys, and an Allen key. Use the enclosed Allen key to remove the little grub screw which secures the outer cover to the Screamer 7. Remove the inner battery cover, take out the CR2 battery to remove its plastic covering. Then reconnect the battery and attach the inner battery cover and the outer cover. Attach the Screamer 7 to your bike's brake disc and listen for a single beep. You then have 15 seconds to press the black button to activate the alarm. Use the Screamer's key to unlock, remove and deactivate